Brian here with tip number 5. Schedule pickups with your mailman. It's so much better than going down to the post office and having to waste the gas or whatnot. It's so much more convenient. You get your little boxes and you can do it. I live in an apartment complex. I just go out and sit mine out on the mailbox. Like so. I'm just gonna brag about like the GRiest of GR Jordans too, by the way. Like these are, without a doubt, the most functional pair of shoes I've ever had in my life. The Jordan 1 Gore-Tex. Like you can go play basketball with them and go hiking in the snow. For that short break, it's definitely a lot nicer out today than it has been in the past couple days. I'm trying to do these things to make your life easier as well as mine. Like if anybody else has any tips, don't be afraid to put it in the comments or hit me on Realist1812 on IG. Like I'm all about helping people. If somebody can help me, help me. Help me, help me. Let's do this together. We're all in this. We're all a big reselling family. So come on, let's do it. And at the end of the day, you can take a nice little walk with your puppers up to the mailbox and hopefully get your item. Well, your box, your empty one. And we're back. It's windy. The first time the mail was running late. But you'll put your packages on top of the mailbox and then boom, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tip. Just trying to make life easier, save you a little bit of money. Just be efficient. If you remember, time is money. And if you save time, you save money. Peep the Team Squad, the Jordan 12s and the Jordan 1s. Ugh. And the Michael Jackson jacket. Ooh, with all them zippers. Back in tomorrow for tip number 6.